Hi guys, welcome to another exclusive video for YouTube channel only for you guys. And today I have a very great surprise for you guys. Today we're gonna just talk about AI and crypto. You have been knowing and hearing about AI, artificial intelligence everywhere, but inside cryptocurrency, you would be just talking about that. In today's video, I am going to show you how artificial intelligence or AI is changing the blockchain industry and helping it to maximize its projects and profits. Very well, guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and watch the video till the end because you're going to get a lot of useful practical examples and information about cryptocurrency with AI, which will lead you to make significant amount of money by yourself. That is why I would be seeing you guys in exactly till the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe and of course leave a reaction in here. Very well, guys, now what is AI and how it can has a lot of, we can call it as impact on cryptocurrency. Very well, as we all know that right now AI is shaping the future of every single thing. When we talk about the companies, when we talk about the social media, when we talk about every single thing, they are using to automate and maximize their profit. Right now, I can tell you, for example, we have cryptocurrency, which is based on blockchain technology and how AI is shaping the future or helping. So, blockchain is a book, or we can call it is a chain which stores and verifies the transaction of cryptocurrency. And they are doing it through a system called blockchain. But when we generate AI inside blockchain, it will maximize its speed and it will make a lot of situations easier and comfortable for the users, for the people, and for the blockchain technology. That is why it is literally shaping the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Very well. Now I can tell you some cases in cryptocurrency. We have, first of all, AI powered trading bots. Well, maybe you have been hearing from the cryptocurrency bots that even we have literally some bots that are trading for you automatically, but still they have been programmed. But when we have the AI powered trading, which are smarter, which are taking the good decisions and making significant amount of money, they are called AI powered trading bots. The smart contract security, now they're using the AI for securing the smart contract, which is for the blockchain technology. And of course, the third and the most important case is the fraud detection. If there is some sort of counterfeit or fraud inside the chain or ecosystem or cryptocurrency, it is detecting by AI. That is why they are using the AI for making it 100% secure and of course stable and all the way down. Very well. If we are going to see the future of AI and of course the innovations, we all know that every single time the technology is being improved, they are using AI to just make it 100%. We call it as comfortable, safer, quicker, and of course making significant amount of money and profit. Very well. So three things I can tell you at the moment that will have the innovation for features with the AI for the future of cryptocurrency. First of all, it's called AI driven DeFi. DeFi is decentralized finance. So when we use AI and mix it with the DeFi or decentralized finance, that will be another level of cryptocurrency, which will solve a lot of problems for the transactions and for the smart contracts as well. And the second, we have the personalized investment strategies. Very well. As I told you about making strategies from the AI bot, using AI generated bots, and of course, because they are making zero or less mistakes than human being or other bots. And the third one, we can call it as AI enhanced NFTs. Well, I'm not going to dive into the NFT. NFT is called non-fungible token. It is another part of cryptocurrency which is using a different memes or pictures or videos which is written on the smart contract or cryptocurrency, and they're using that for buying and selling, and of course most importantly for entertaining purposes. So I'm not going to dive into that, but it will be for the third features of AI. Well, now what are the main drawbacks, or we call it as challenges inside AI? First of all, ethical concern, like how people will understand and of course will trust the AI inside cryptocurrency. Will they 100% do that? They're having some concerns from the ethical part. People and inside cryptocurrency, they are not having 100%, we call it trust on AI, as well as making it the 100% accurate, let's say. The second one is called market manipulation. Well, we all know that if we use AI, we can simply manipulate the market because the bots can buy at the same time all of them and sell huge amount and have the manipulation inside the market. And of course, reliance on AI algorithms. As I told you, how much people will trust the algorithms which are based on AI. These are very, very few challenges, but it will be solved. And if we are going to use AI properly, none of these challenges will happen in the future. This is the future of AI and cryptocurrency for all of us. All right, let me show you a practical example about one of the AI cryptocurrencies. Very well, this is our coin market cap. And very, very simple, I can tell you guys. When you just scroll down, you can find into the categories AI. When you click on that, you can see a lot of good cryptocurrencies you have. For example, which is number 33, called Near Protocol. We have the ICP, we have the T, we have Filecoin, we have Render, which is the AI gaming. And then we have the artificial intelligence, we have ING Injective, we have the Theta, we have, I'm going to show you one more thing, which is WLD. And we're going to find that one right now. We have Arkham, Nillion, of course. And WLD is literally the cryptocurrency from ChatGPT, from OpenAI. We all know about the ChatGPT and OpenAI. This is from that one. Here we have ChainGPT as well. Okay, let's see. Can we find the WLD in here, or we should search it in here, I think. So this is the main example that we have hundreds and thousands of AI cryptocurrencies, which are having very, very good. You can see WorldCoin, which is number 66, with having the 926 million market capitalization. This is from the company OpenAI. We call it the ChatGPT. So it means we already have a lot of influence of cryptocurrencies with AIs right now. And in the future, going to shape the future of cryptocurrency. For example, as an example, if you're going to check the Bybit, I'm going to show you one thing called Trade with GPT. You already have the, okay, let me find for you guys. I think we have it here. Yes, we have Trade GPT. Look at this. GPT, artificial intelligence, will trade for you. That's simple. You can see it can provide short token, long token, XRPC, every single thing available inside Bybit already. So that is why this is the future of cryptocurrency, the future of AI with the blockchain. All right, guys, what do you think? Is AI the future of cryptocurrency? Do you think AI can shape the future of cryptocurrency or not? Let's discuss that in the comment section. I would love to read all of your comments right down below. And of course, as usual, do not forget to follow and subscribe all of our social medias, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, because you are receiving every single thing you need to start with the cryptocurrency, the hottest news, the shocking news, and which will make you significant amount of money with that one. Very well then. That's it from my side. I will see you in the next